All right, let's do a Bitcoin update here because Trump's coming in office today, and I'm going to show you right now. Let's see the more clean chart here. Solana is done with 5 waves, in my opinion. So I'd be watching out if you're trading these. I'd be watching out here. I'll show you how this is 5 waves. It's like way more clear than Bitcoin. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see here, this is very clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we get that big fourth wave. And then on this fifth wave, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what I see. And what happened last night with Solana? It dumped pretty big. It went from 295 all the way down here to 230 in about 6 hours. That could be definitely a sign of a top there. So I think that this is likely topping out. Solana for 5 waves. And then Bitcoin, I've said that it has another wave up, but like if you're trading this and you want to take profit, this is not a bad spot to take profit because this is kind of ambiguous. Like, I don't know. I kind of go back and forth on this being wave 1, wave 2. We're in a bigger wave 3, which is possible because look right here, the 1.61 fib hits right here. We make one more high. This retraces to the 0.5 fib, and then we're in this 5 wave move. Regardless of what it is, we can just zoom in here now on this, only this wave, and here's my count right here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can see here again, similar to Solana, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we can zoom in on this farther one, the one that's closest now. We know this is a 5th wave, and we get 1, 2. This has got to be 3, in my opinion. I was thinking it could be a nested one, 4, and then 5th wave higher. And then on this 5th wave, I've been talking about this 4th wave for a while at 88. I was talking about that. I said there's one more move up, and it's kind of a tricky wave. I think that it was likely. Let's see where the 1.61 fib is of this. So I think that this is a diagonal at the very end. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this right here was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what I see. And now it's pulling back. There might be one more pump in here. But I think that this is a great spot to sell. If you're selling here, I think you're going to get a chance to reload. I actually hit one of my limit orders. So I trade some of my Bitcoin, and then I have some that I'm not going to touch. But this one I traded at, I had an order at 108,800, and it barely hit that, 109,328. So I got out of half of my position. Had another order at 115, thinking it would get out all the way up here to 115, but I'm not sure anymore. It might be already dumping. So we'll have to see. And I could be completely wrong too. It could keep on going higher. But at the same time, I don't think it's a bad place to sell here. We've gone from 50,000 in 5 months all the way up to 110,000. We've doubled in 5 months. And so if it pulls back here, I will not be surprised. And I won't be surprised if that was the end of this 5 waves. From there, I'm not sure where we go, though. There's a lot of different ways this could play out because this is very ambiguous. Is this the 5th wave? This could be the 5th wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we fall a ton. It doesn't really fit in with my narrative on the overall stock market, but Bitcoin might have already topped out. That's my thoughts on Bitcoin and Solana. Be careful if you're trading this. Solana looks like it already topped out. This should be headed back. I mean, based on what I see, unless it gets an extension, it could get an extension where it goes like this. If it gets an extension, then okay, it can go much higher. But if that was actually the end of 5 waves, then you're looking at something back down here to 50 bucks. So we'll see what happens. That's my thoughts on Bitcoin. I think you have to just trade the ranges on this. That's why I sold some at 109 basically. And I have one more order. I'm not sure if that's going to hit. I might get rid of that. I'm not really sure yet. But this is only my trading. I trade half my Bitcoin and I'm holding long term the other Bitcoin just in case it goes to $1 million or whatever. So that's my update on Bitcoin. Let's see what happens the rest of the day and into tomorrow. Remember on Coin, I did an update on Coin on Friday, and I said that Coin's going back to 200, and then it's going much higher. So maybe that will be the same thing with Bitcoin and Solana. They'll pull back. Maybe it just pulls back to like 70, 80,000, and we get an extension. It ends up going like this and goes much higher. That's possible. So that's my update on the coins. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe, more updates. Catch you in the next video.